Sharp 210-4, I copy. Serial number, returning clear boat, no record.
Maneuver. Hold traffic.
TVI successful. Hands! Get your hands up! Hands up! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move! You got him?
Exit the car! Hands up!
Got me? Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle!
On the ground!
What's going on? I got you. Dude,
Get out on the ground.
what the fuck? Hands behind your back.
I didn't do
Hands behind your back.
What's going on? Get on the ground.
Okay, I got it.
He's got a holster.
Check for the gun.
Got a gun?
I didn't find a gun.
It's right there.
Okay.
My girlfriend,
All right. Did we pat him down?
my girlfriend fucking shot at me, and I don't know what the fuck's going on.
You're under arrest.
EVI on my patrol vehicle.
You want us being we TVI'd?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Over here. Come on. Take this off of me.
And we have highway 19.
Do you have any idea on how at all?
Copy 1119.
None. Stop.
What's that?
Open your back seat. Hey, sit in the car. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off.
Anybody right now, I don't know what the
Take your
fuck's
shoes
going on.
off. Lift up.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Okay. Sit. Put your feet in. Let's clear that firearm. Got this. It was loaded and chambered. Loaded and chambered. So I might clear you 3 years if you look. Years if you look.
Yeah.
We have traffic block.
Copy 1120.
Okay. Tell Naomi she can send them through in the left lane.
So it sounds like we have multiple crashes.
Okay.
I witnessed him ram a blue car.
So intentional acts along.
Intentional act on that one. I don't know about the man's one.
All right. So we can get the information on all the victims, and it's up to you because it was your pursuit if you want it, or it's an agency assist. It's an agency assist, basically for a pursuit.
So it started with the crash.
Yeah.
That's the only reason we got involved.
In
It started
Dallas?
with the crash on Road 5. On Road 5.
Oh fuck! Fella, he just stole the patrol car.
Fuck! Stole the patrol car. I'm gonna stay with
Hey, sit in the car. Okay. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off.
Anybody right now, I don't know what the
Take your
fuck's going
shoes
on.
off. Lift up.
I don't know what the fuck's going on.
Sit. Put your feet in.
As a homeowner or a prospective homeowner, you may like to know People's Credit Union offers fixed-rate mortgage loans that can be amortized for up to 30 years. They also offer 5-year adjustable rate mortgages that can be amortized for up to 30 years. And finally, refinance loans or home equity loans to which new monies can be added for any purpose. Go ahead, break into that happy dance. It's not like we haven't seen them before. People's Credit Union in Lamar and Springfield, where we work for you. Member NCUA.
Have you tried Colorado Mills Black Gold Performance Equine for your horse yet? Hi, this is Kent Woolard with Colorado Mills. If you haven't tried this,
02 Max, can you clear a firearm?
Enhance your horse's condition without making your horse hot and uncontrollable.
Hey, Farmer Turkey, go ahead, sir.
Feed with the correct vitamins and minerals,
Serial number,
along with
Adam,
probiotics,
Tom,
moss, and probiotic feeds that can keep your horse's gut in tip-top shape. Come by the
1742.
mill in Lamar to get some Black Gold Performance Equine or give us a call at 719-336-8452 for the extra pieces we might have. I have a question for you. You want to make some money, and potentially a lot of money? If your answer is yes, then KVAY
Sir,
would
210-4, I copy. Serial number, returning clear boat, no record.
Suspect just stole a CSP patrol car. He is Suspect just stole a CSP patrol car. He is eastbound, high rate of speed on 50.
To success. Phone lines are open. Call now. 336-8734.
Sir, I copy.
County Road, a stolen CSP patrol car. Eastbound 50. It'll be a Charger. They need a spike strip if they can.
Miss Michael, we've got most of the funny skies today at 8 o'clock.
Where is that?
Find you something out in the mid 90s for the afternoon. Sunny skies and 90s again for your Wednesday. And
Notified Bend County, we need stop sticks out for this vehicle. It is a marked patrol unit. Lights are activated.
Line 1 on Otero County Max. We're going to be trying to catch up to this vehicle.
C14, which direction is that?
Probably 50.
We are eastbound 50 from La Junta.
722.
I do not have eyes on him. There's 3 PD officers in front of me. I have 2 Charlie 3 on board.
Line 1 on Otero.
Copy 1123.
Where is he at?
Copy direct 1123. 3 vehicles in
He's
pursuit.
gonna get wrecked.
He's got about a half a tank.
Well, I got a half a tank of gas. Go ahead and have radio. Disable the radio, please. Disable the radio. And start car 723.
Copy 1123.
Where's it at?
Oh, let's try to attachment to C14 call, please.
All vehicles be advised.
Did we get off?
Give me a call back with their location.
They're gonna let you go because they don't have near the speed. That thing will run.
Car calling, tag in.
257 attachment to C14 call, please. Go ahead, westbound on 50.
Get out of the way. Get stop sticks set out east of town. Correction, west of Los Angeles. I do not have visual on it.
There it is.
Actually, I do. It's probably passing
386.
the 385. 385 lights activated. High rate of speed. Get Bend County out there with stop sticks and you get stop sticks set as well. Radio. A half a mile behind. Just passed into Bend County.
He's out of his 10-4.
as many sets of stop sticks set up as you can get.
Usually 5-4 eastbound, about the 425. We'll find a good spot. I notified Towers. They're going to set up as well. Can you get a hold of State Patrol and find out if this individual is armed, please?
He is not anymore. Well, they're my rifle.
The rifle is in the vehicle. He was not armed. The gun was left in the vehicle. Passing the 390. Speed's 123. About a tenth of a mile behind him. Find out where stop sticks are at.
Find us set up at the bridge. Stay right here. So stop where you're at. Set up here. Set up here. 393. We'll be at the 393. Copy. C40.
392. Speed's 100. He slowed down slightly. We're coming up on the curve at the 392, 393.
C14, Vince Force, flag strips are going to be set up at the 394, 394.
Just past the 392. Speed's 99.
Make sure they're
He's
confirmed.
coming over the hill.
What's that?
They're right up there.
Okay.
Actually, no, I was just going to make sure they know that's my Charger.
Mark's Charger is the one that was stolen. I'm in a gray unmarked. Mark's Charger. He's driving down the middle of the lane. Get stop sticks out. As many sets as you can get.
Coming at you, Jay. First car.
Eastbound in the westbound lane. Eastbound in the westbound lane. 393. Coming up on stop sticks. He missed him. Continuing eastbound. Please get a set of stop sticks on this guy.
411, speeds 115. Currently eastbound lane.
Copy 1140.
One of the Met units, one of the Chargers, take lead on this. We're running out on fuel.
One coming up right now, and I'll come up behind him.
Copy 1140.
Out.
Bin 5, bin 4 on primary.
Did he get him?
Are you the lead vehicle? 10-9? Not yet. I will be.
That's my car. They threw him in the back of my car. Had that last guy in there, and he must have crawled through the center window with my rifle in there.
I copy that direction.
What's that? Am I taking this? Is that what you said? Nothing. You want me to take this? Okay. Switch, Candy. I don't have vehicle. Where's the keys? You got the keys in it? I don't have a vehicle. Where's the keys? Good sticks. We got it. You got the keys in it? Good sticks. We got to take it. You alright, sir? You alright?
Just yard me.
Please try again. Calling the clear over. To end the call, press the phone hang up button on the steering wheel.
Movement 7, where were 6 activated?
Buffalo check 5. The internet, 416. He hit the side of a semi.
Hello? Hit the side of a semi.
Copy.
Hello? Oh, shit.
Copy 1143.
He flips the semi.
Hear me?
Is he still going? Negative.
Hello?
No, I would say go ahead and call it a free.
I'll look Charlie 3, I'm gonna be on scene.
Where would you like me at?
I'll look Charlie 3, we got a vehicle on fire.
Still got flame at the firewall. 1.5 miles. Right here. Right here, Jason.
We got any more fire extinguishers? Let's get them over here till we get fire.
Any bottles of water or anything that anybody's got in vehicles?
Some in here. On this other side, though.
Dump it in there. Whatever you can get into. Man, tar or steel. The vehicle's down there even.
He's alive. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, talk to me. Hey, Jay. Jay.
Hello, Charlie 3.
My truck in my tunnel belt.
He is driver is conscious.
You're gonna have to start moving, dude. Yeah, I got a head injury. Give me your hands. What hurts? Give me your hands. In the very back. Hey, I need you to give me your hands, dude. I got it.
Here, want me to move that computer?
Yeah. Where are you hurt, dude? Unless you don't want to get out. I need somebody to keep this down cool. Keep it cool while I work on it.
Do we got anything?
Yes. We can get him out this way. Pull him up through this. Start pulling.
Here, let me move that computer, Jay. That whole thing will swing out of the way. At least it would have.
Start pouring water on it. Hey, if I can get him to give me his hand.
His hands are gone. I know. I can give him to you.
Okay, I'm just getting this computer out of the way. Just give me a second. The back ain't gonna fucking do it. Once we get this computer out of the way, you should be able to pull him out.
You get it? Alright.
Here, I'm pulling him out this way. Just get in the firewall.
See what it looks like from the inside in case you need something to shove up under the dash. Poke a hole in the cap with a knife, squirt up under the dash.
He's good, he's clear.
Who's got an extinguisher? Martin's got one.
Somebody grab his legs.
Give my bags, please.
Isaac, he's out.